Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about the shell shapes. So, cell vary in shape. You know that, we know that. Cell are of different types. These may be disc-like, polygonal, rectangular, cuboid, thread-like structure. So, they are different shapes. These shapes of cells are related to their different functions they perform. Every cell has different functions, so their shapes are related to their functions. Here you can see RBCs are biconcave. White blood cells are amoeboid. Nerve cells are long thread-like structures. Stem cells are different. Epithelial cells are different. Ovum is different from sperm cells. Bone cell is very different. Fat cells are another type. Chondrocyte, cardiac muscle, smooth cells. So these are the different shapes of the cell. Here are more pictures. Cells may be round, maybe oval, maybe columnar, maybe spindle shaped, it may be cuboidal, it may be polygonal, it may be star shaped, you can see pear shaped. So this is the picture of different shapes of the cell. Now I have learned I have told that the shapes are due to the function. So RBCs are biconcave and circular because they need a large surface area. They need a large surface area for the diffusion of oxygen. We know that RBC supply oxygen. The hemoglobin present in the RBC supply oxygen to the cell. So these are biconcave and circular to accommodate more oxygen. Now let's go into the white blood cells. White blood cells are amoeboid shapes because they can squeeze out through the capillary walls in the time, in the need. Okay, now the nerve cells. You can see the nerve cell is very long, thread-like structure. Branches are there. This is the cyton part, the cell body. This is the axon part. We will study in detail about nerve cells. So, nerve cells are long to conduct impulses from distant part of the body to the brain or vice versa. We know nerve carries information from the sense organ to the brain, so they are very lengthy. Next is the muscle cell. Muscle cell is this is different type. Skeletal muscle is different type. Cardiac muscle and smooth muscle. So muscle cells are long and contractile to pull or squeeze the parts because muscle contraction is needed. So the guard cells in the stomata in the plant, they are bean shaped to open and close the pore. So the different shapes determine the different function. Here is an overview of plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell have a cell wall, but animal cell doesn't have a cell wall. Plant cell has plastids, that is the chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast, but animal cell doesn't have plastid. In plant cell, there is less vacuole, but animal cell doesn't have vacuole. If present, very small or tiny. In animal cell, there is centrosome, but plant cell there is no centrosome. So this is the different structure of plant cell and animal cell. In this video we have learnt about different shapes and some functions of the shape. In the next video we will study about the cell organelles and the cell theory in detail.